Today's October 21st. Tyler has a bunch of diapers, and he's throwing them in the air. And Bobby's holding Aubrey. Tyler, show Aubrey what you do.
I do?
Thank you.
I can't. What is on it? Oh, everything I funny.
Aubrey thinks you're funny.
That's cool.
That's cool.
Whoa! You taste one. Oh, that was lucky.
That was lucky.
Oh, we don't throw that. Let go. We don't touch that.
Then I take myself.
But we don't throw it because it can hurt someone. Diapers don't hurt.
That, I mean nothing at me. Boo. 2 eats.
Huge.
I will laughing at her diapers. Whoa, that was lucky.
Whoa, that was lucky.
You want one?
No, thank you. Hurt your knee?
Falling down. Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse.